I just thought I would do a little different video today. I'd come on camera, introduce myself. So my name is Keith. I run the TPM Walking Tour channel, and I started the channel back in the 29th of July last year, so 2020, just shortly after the lockdown. I was locked up inside. Most of the world was locked up inside. It was frustrating. We wanted to get out and about. So when I did get out and about, I wanted to take a camera with me, because not only did I want to see what things are like, but I also had friends and family back in the UK that was asking me what it was like over here, and they wanted to see particular areas, you know. So I started to go out and do some videos of those areas. That's now developed, and I've done quite a few videos. Now I have a full-time job, so I can only really do limited videos on what it. So you do see some of the same places again, but that is what people like to see. Now the reason I'm coming on camera is I want to push the channel forward a bit more. I am going to still doing those exact same walking tour videos. However, I've had requests from people to say, go into particular bars and do a review, or can you show us this bar and we remember this from our holiday, etc, etc. Do you think that's a good idea, or should I just stick to the walking tours? And then the other thing that I've been asked for many times is that, what's the prices of properties in that area? How much is it to buy a 2-bedroom apartment, for example, or how much is it to rent an apartment? So I'm not a real estate agent, I'm a builder, but would you like to see that kind of thing? Should I do a walking tour of an area and then show 1 or 2 properties, a walking tour of the property and the price, just so you can get an idea of what they cost in that area? Or do you just want to stick to the walking tour videos? So give me a thumbs up on each video, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Give me a comment on each video when I post them, because interaction makes the channel grow, and that's what I need. So I need some more subscribers, I need more people to see the channel, and that's due to the interaction of the people watching. So please do that for me. I am off on Tuesday to Fuerteventura. Now I've been there once before. I'm going over there to reform an office. I'm going for work, but I am going to try and do as much filming as I can, and I will be showing for that one, I will be showing 1 or 2 properties there, because I'm going to be looking at 1 or 2 properties there for myself. So let me know in the comments whether that's something you'd like to see, and I will be doing a few more videos as soon as I come back from Fuerteventura. I've been a little bit busy lately, so there's not been so many uploads. Plus, as you can probably see in the background here, it's absolutely peeing down with rain at the moment here, so not so good for the videos. But please leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.